still be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you wait.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So I know it's been a minute, and last time you guys saw me, my hair was black, and now all of a sudden I'm slowly turning into a blonde. I have been filming the whole entire process, from the products to the results that I've gotten, and I still feel like I need a little bit more to go to get the results that I'm looking for. So once I am done, I will definitely be sharing it all with you guys. So make sure that you have your notification bells turned on so that way you don't miss out on that video. But today we are going to be working on somebody else's hair, and that is Paisley. Paisley is my dog. She is a Shih Tzu Bichon. She is currently 2 years old, and today is grooming day for her. She's due for a haircut badly. I took her to Petco one time and I did not like the results. So I decided to take it upon myself, go on Amazon and order a grooming kit. So I cut her hair and I feel like the results came out really nice. Here's a picture so you guys can see what it looks like. And I said, you know what, let me share it with you guys, because maybe you guys have recommendations on products that are maybe better than what I have. So if you guys do have anything that's better, definitely list it down in the comments down below and I will check it out. But enough said, let's get started and jump right into the video. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now let's jump right into it. I am going to be using this shampoo from Arm & Hammer, and the scent is a Kiwi Blossom. It's a deodorizing shampoo for pets. It's a cleansing formula. I used it on her. I loved it. She didn't have any issues with it, and also she smelled very nice. So this is what we're going to be using today. Paisley, Pace. She's not happy.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Alright guys, so we finished washing Paisley. She's not too happy. She has a lot of matting going on, so all of this has got to go. She's looking crazy, guys.
But where it all begins, you could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
So guys, right now we are in my basement. This is where I groom Paisley. I just feel like it's easier to clean up and it's not getting all over the furniture or anywhere upstairs. And what I do is I set up a table, then I have all of my tools. So I already charged this overnight. This is the tool that I use, and I will list the link in the bottom of the description so that way you guys can check it out. And it has 3 different settings. So there's that, and then also it comes with scissors and a comb. So I'll be using that. And that's basically it. Then once she's cut, I will style her hair, put a cute little bow, and then she'll be done.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love.
we're almost done. I trimmed her hair. The thing with her is that she has matting in certain areas. Paisley usually starts her matting like around here because of her collar and back here. So I always have to take the scissors and cut that out first. And then I trimmed her down a little bit, so then that way her fur can grow just in time for winter time, so that way she's nice and warm. We're almost done with the top part. I still need to cover her back and under here, which is sometimes challenging because she doesn't stay still, but you can tell she's getting impatient. But anyways, she's been doing a really good job though. I cannot complain. She lets me do what I need to do because she's a good dog, right? You're a good dog. We're almost done. We're almost done. Okay, promise. So once I'm done, then I will show you guys how I finish everything off. So this is all I still have left to do. Underneath is always the worst because it's kind of hard to get her. I usually have to like lay her down. Under here, there's like a lot of matting. So I just take the scissors and just gently cut out as much matting as I can. So then that way I can go with the trimmer and trim it down. That's what I'm cutting out. And her tail, unfortunately, I'm only going to be able to leave like that much of it because there's too much matting around here. Stay still. Stay. Good girl. Yeah, she does not like this part when I have to like cut her around her private areas. She despises it, but we need to get it done. After this, she'll be more manageable to maintain, right? Look at how cute she looks. Look at her. She is not happy, guys. Look at her face. You still love me? Good. Dogs' expressions, I find them so funny. Why do you have that face? Why are you so mad at me? I love her. I love you, face.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
This is the aftermath. Me, on the other hand, I am not so glamorous right now. I am full of hair. I'm like disgusted right now. I feel like I have like hair in my nostrils. So I gotta get myself cleaned up. And once I'm done, I'm gonna finish with her and show you guys how Paisley looks like. So see you soon. Alright guys, so now that she is all set, I just need to add the final touch in, which is tying up her hair up in the front so that way she can see, and also so that way she can look adorable. So here I have a little pink elastic, and I'm just gonna use the comb. And here's her hair. Okay, so look here.
Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I
Alright guys, I'm gonna give you the final video.
do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok, as I'm trying to grow on those social media platforms as well. And I would really appreciate all of your support. And until next time, guys, bye!
Being alone, well, I don't care, 'cause right